So it's basically like germinate, like sending out seeds to form new galaxies.
Yeah, maybe. You're right, dude. It's the fucking circle of life.
If that's your horny face, you should stop.
You should see my black hole.
We're gonna get a little sci-fi now.
Ooh, I like
Something happened in space that has never happened before. At
It was a
least nobody's
scam.
Ever... Yeah, space is a huge scam.
Space is a scam, bro.
It's just one giant Nigerian prince. So this thing happened basically when black holes swallow stars. Usually, like it'll go, and then like pieces of the star get spit out as like the thing gets stuck in. So for the first time ever in 2018,
Pretty lost.
that happened where they observed a star getting sucked into a black hole. So you just like, see a bunch of light and like it just goes in, right? For 3 years, nothing happened. And then 3 years later, they observed that same black hole spitting out remnants of that same star.
Whoa.
And that's like the first time that's ever been observed or recorded or anything.
That's fucking tight.
I don't know what it means. There's no idea like what the fuck, you know, like they're really just reading data in waves, but that's the first of its kind.
What's a black hole?
Go ahead, Kalyne.
That's a good question, right? I've seen Interstellar, but
Black hole's really the what is an interesting thing because it's a theory.
right.
It's no one's ever been to a black hole. No one can really
Right.
tangibly like touch it, but it's basically a reading that shows there's a point where all matter is being compressed into such a pressurized point that nothing can escape it. Yeah, even time.
He's only seen it.
by way of gravity, right?
Yeah, okay, Matthew
Nothing
McConaughey.
escapes a black hole basically.
They did say with Interstellar, the depiction of a black hole in Interstellar was the best depiction of the theoretical black
Kip
hole
Thorne has a
ever
book
done,
on it.
right?
Yeah, I also saw. I had the DVD extras
There's
too.
a documentary, I think in the 70s, where they flew in. Just kidding. It was Journey to the Center of the World or something. They flew into a black hole, and then they went hyperspeed, and then flew out at the other end.
But you gotta go hyperspeed though.
Who did that?
Sorry, it was a documentary like in the 70s. I think it was called Journey to the Center of the...
I think that's Event Horizon.
No, Event Horizon was a horror movie. That movie, that's one movie that disturbed me.
Yeah. But yeah, for the first time, they didn't know that anything. So normally, nothing ever escapes the black hole.
Yeah.
Except these stars.
But some movies, it goes to like another universe or something.
Yeah.
It goes like a parallel thing.
Yeah.
But we don't know.
Or the wormhole concept in general, right?
Yeah. Nobody knows what it'll do to organic like understanding if you like enter it. But
Don't you just get dropped off into like a library where you can fucking do Morse code and shit?
Yeah.
yeah, you go into the the Tesseract?
Yeah, Tesseract.
What's her name? His daughter?
I don't know.
She got a dude name.
Oh, Murph.
Hey, don't ruin it. I haven't seen it yet.
Never?
I haven't seen it yet. Yo.
No shot.
Bro,
That's one of my favorite movies of all time.
Yeah, dude, I said that the other day.
It's so good.
It's I'm gonna record it on my YouTube TV.
You should watch it. It's good.
Stay, no, stay.
I'm gonna watch that
Dude,
shit.
it's so good.
Everyone keeps telling me how good it is. Me and Bart are gonna watch it because he's obviously never seen it.
I've seen it a while ago.
Wow.
No, because I'm
comment.
still thinking. Because I learned about.
I've never been so uninspired to continue a conversation.
And I think they said there was like the minute time freezes, it starts like 8 different timelines.
See?
Now
You are literally shitting out information.
Once you go to the point where time stops, there's the first timeline of you going there and stopping. The second one is you going into the black hole, and then there's a third one. Like it just, because so many things happen once time actually stops. So one, you're actually going back in time, and it's like it's like
That's like when they say
8
we
different things
invent time
happen.
travel, then like the world explodes. There's no history, there's no future, there's no...
Who said that?
No, smart.
Doc Brown.
Smart folks.
Listen, Silent Mike.
Because you don't know where people are from.
Yeah, it's-
Like here, then, now, never. You know? Or the world will explode. Because some motherfucker just blew it up in the past and he goes back or...
Oh right, because now it's all the time, everything, right? All at once.
that is pretty.
Everything, everywhere, all at once. Michelle, yeah?
I've never seen that. That looks...
Oh, you would love it.
that looks
that
too...
movie- that movie-
No, you would love it, dude. You
I think
Someone-
it's too smart, though.
As someone that loves
It's
Interstellar, you should see that movie, bro.
You've never seen Interstellar.
Yeah.
Interstellar feels like the dumbed down version of that.
No, it's not. It's not. But I hear what you're. It's a less colorful version.
Yeah.
Oh.
Everything Everywhere All at Once is a fun movie.
I just watched 5 minutes and they're just hanging out on a laundromat and I turned it off.
That's my people's, man.
Yeah, bro.
That's it.
He goes, not for me.
Come on, dog.
See, I don't see Murph.
It got too Asian too
I
soon.
know. He says too Asian. It's too Asian.
Never been to a laundromat
There's
in my
a
damn
lesbian
life.
white girlfriend in the beginning. You can relate to
sign
her.
me up. Yeah, we're the same.
So, with what you know about black holes, does that mean anything to you that they were able to see remnants of a star it ate 3 years ago pop out?
I am the expert. I was trying to rattle my brain to see if I remembered anything else, but I don't remember anything.
Is that how you come up with information? I gotta answer this question.
Is that why you were buffering for so long?
Yeah,
Magic 8 Ball.
I was like,
Real player just stuck.
college years.
He's like, ask again.
No, I don't remember.
What I'm curious about though is was that how many stars had that black hole eaten previously? Like maybe it was full and so it had to spit this one out, or was it the first star that the black hole ate?
Yeah, or do we know it's the exact same stars?
Yeah, it could be another star.
Because it could have been like 500-year-old star at 8.
Well, I mean, that would be even more remarkable. I think the assumption that it's the same one from 3 years ago is the easier thing to assume. But if you said it was from even older, that's even bigger of a breakthrough.
Or how is the star coming out? Is it the release of gravity, or is it the initiation of gravity somewhere else pulling the star?
That's the thing. There has to be
usually
suspension of the black hole's gravity for that to even happen.
Usually, all they've seen so far is that while the star gets sucked in, the action of it sucking in kind of ricochets shit all over the place. That's usually it's instant. They've never seen a black hole not do anything and then just shit just pops out. That's never.
Whoa.
What if it was just a speck on their lens? I've filmed YouTube for a long time and that shit would go crazy.
Yeah. Whoa, look at that! And then you have him go, oh, it's gone!
Because isn't that astronomy though? Astronomy looks at a 2D image and then they look at a planet and they go, oh, this planet has these gases.
Yeah.
Like how do you know from a 2D image what it has?
Yeah.
I was looking up some of the new pictures though. Those are crazy.
From the telescope?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we have like 8 new pictures from some fucking multiverse.
Yeah, but the photo was taken like 16 years ago, and finally they.
Yeah, because of the light.
Yeah.
Something of that nature. But they look crazy.
Well, those people that read those graphs, they get horny off those things.
Hell yeah.
So when my last
The expert is back.
my last
They get real hard.
Look at Kalyne's face for a second.
my last lab class was studying like brain activity on mice. And then they would have mice like fucking eat shit, fuck, or do whatever. And then so you're like studying so they're attached to these little fucking
Cranial things.
fucking surge protectors, whatever the fuck.
The story gets crazier as we go. But yeah, continue. We're clearly not all scientists.
And you see all these graphs, right, of like marking where all the activity is.
You were getting horny.
No, for me.
rats.
Okay, so they're saying like sideways scratches mean this, or upward scratches mean this. But then when my professor comes in, she's like, "Oh fuck, that's crazy." Because then she'll notice like, "Wow, these rats are doing new shit."
Your professor sounds hot.
People ready to telescope.
Sounds like a babe.
They can see the 2D.
I'm going back to school.
They can see the 2D shit and probably get fucking hella horny on it.
I'm about to get into a lab, bro.
So it's like reading the Matrix.
Yeah, they can read it.
I thought he was really gonna say some like crazy shit, but he was like, "Oh, she was rubbing her nips."
God,
Like,
dude,
yo,
Bart went to Vivid University. Like,
I thought the brainwaves. I thought the brainwaves you're talking about was gonna show the horniness.
Yeah, that's
But it was really just her
My
going crazy.
professor getting horny over fucking brainwaves. I'm like, what the
Dude.
fuck is this shit?
the new telescope images, all the astronomers go crazy.
Yeah, they get horny as fuck.
Yeah, they got crazy. And then they look at it and they go, now we can tell what gases. I'm like, how? How do you know from a 2D image? And I think with black holes, it's a total 2D image that they see.
Yeah.
And it's all like, they call them hypotheses. I just call them assumptions, whatever. And then now they're assuming that it's the same star that they ate 3 years ago. But then for it to do that, it has to have a suspension of gravity. Like their gravity pull that means the black hole has the ability to like lessen its gravity.
Yeah.
Or trapping the light, or whatever it may be.
Or we eat and then we shit.
They call it
Yeah.
like a celestial burp. It's like the black hole's basically what looks like burping. It's going burp and a little star.
So you're saying like one thing went inside, 3 years later, a couple smaller things came out.
Like debris from the star, yeah.
So some of it escaped.
which is that's basically first. Because then that kind of goes against the existing theory of.
And it's probably so fucking far away that whatever fucking burp they saw was from 30 years ago, anyways.
Well, when you say it's a
the
first,
image takes a long time to travel to you.
Yeah.
but when you say it's a first, how long have we been even like looking at black holes? 100 years?
I don't know.
What about the concept that like you know, I'm thinking about fucking really nice child shit like The Lion King and Mufasa explaining the circle of life.
No, it's definitely the past kings.
Yeah, but exactly. But you know, the idea of like eating an antelope and then or whatever, the antelope becomes the grass when it dies, blah blah blah. So there's like circle of life concept, right? What if there's like fucking black holes are these giant celestial beings that are like going out like eating old stars and then shitting out new ones, almost like planting seeds, and then now that's a new galaxy. You know,
they're germinating.
It's not just about like shitting out the old star. It's about like consuming something that needs to end its life and then putting something else out.
That's beautiful. That is beautiful.
So it's basically like germinate, like sending out seeds to form new galaxies.
Yeah.
Yeah, maybe.
You're right, dude. It's the fucking circle of life.
If that's your horny face, you should stop.
You just see my black hole.
Black holes in general are just super infinitely interesting. There's always some weird shit with them. I was reading some other things showing what happens when two black holes meet. Have you seen that?
Is that just like a made up thing, right?
It sounds like the start of a joke.
No, like they were able to observe like so whenever you're observing a black hole, you're really just looking at the effect around it, and that's how you know it's there. Yeah. But it's not one of those things that you just see a fucking hole. Like you don't really see a. But then they're saying like when two of them are within range from each other, the time in between is being twisted. You ever heard of that?
Holy fuck.
We gotta study black holes.
Like the energy between two magnets that are on the wrong sides. There's something that's going on that's invisible and yet very, very, very real.
Well, that's how they discovered a black hole, right? That there was some sort of gravitational pull that was happening, but there was no planet or stars for that cause. Yeah. So that's how they, I guess, discovered it first, and then they started to do a little more research.
Yeah. So it's pretty cool that like to find something that you thought. I'm sure finding any new info about a thing you've been looking at for maybe 100 years is pretty cool.
Big deal.
Yeah.
They should send like a satellite into a black hole.
With a GoPro on it.
Yeah, how close are these things? They gotta be hella far,
You're
right?
just never gonna get it back though. It's gone.
Yeah, like our fucking satellites that we sent out like 30 years ago are finally passing by like Jupiter right now. You know what I mean? Like it's gonna take a minute to get to a black hole.
But then it's also gone once it gets there.
Right.
So they should put like, you know, the latest technology, like all the newest like GoPro 9, some cell phones, like 5G, LTE, whatever, and then like have it burst out all this info as soon as it gets in.
With a ring light. We gotta get a ring
With
light.
a selfie stick, you know? Have it like emit like whatever, all the photos and do it as soon before.
I think you should write a letter to NASA explaining your idea. And I think they might hire you. So.
They'll understand.
I'll put it on, I'll Twitch it. Throw the budget.
Yeah, give them a budget and then just tell them what they need to send out.
And then I'll make sure to earmark like 10 million just for us to talk about it.
Oh yeah, that first meeting's pretty pricey.